It was completely bone stock and got hit on the way home one day, and I got paid on insurance, quit that job, cashed out my 401k, and completely went ham on this thing.
Hey, what's up guys? James here. We're here with Austin from RMZ Fab. We are in the fabulous Norco, California. That's why I wore my shirt. Fun fact, I actually taught at Norco High School for a couple years. Ding! Cougars, dude, let's go!
But not like a cougar, like you might think.
Before we get started, we'll let you guys know we got some new gear. We got a bunch of new hats. So check it out, pretty cool. I think we still got this thing on there. We're gonna hop into this thing. So dude, Austin, tell us about this thing. What is it, man?
So this is my 2001 Toyota Tundra SR5.
Right on.
It was completely bone stock. It was wrecked when I got it.
Okay.
I got it from the homie, just paid him $2,500 on payments, and then fixed it to stock and drove it to work for a while, going to LA as an iron worker. And then I got sick of that and got hit on the way home one day, and it just like a blessing, man. I got paid on insurance on this thing, and
so that was kind of like the silver lining of the cloud, right?
yeah, it was like the final nail in the coffin, man.
Yeah.
I quit that job, cashed out my 401k, and completely went ham on this thing, cut it in half, and just started going to town on building it. Bought a couple tools and a welder, and got it going, man.
RMZ Fab has been around for a few years now, right?
Yeah, it's been around like 5 years or so. But
right on.
I was doing the ironworking deal, so I was doing it more like weekend work. Now I'm just doing it full time. I quit that and cashed out the 401k, got the insurance money, built this, and then just started taking on other people's projects and handling it, man.
Right on, dude. That's what's up, man.
He's telling a similar story. A lot of people are out there have like wrecked their trucks or had some insurance stuff, you know, and you know what, man? Like, you can buy a long travel kit for some of that stuff.
You definitely can. I bought a Camberg race kit with it.
There it is, dude. You know what I mean? You got a Camberg race kit. If you guys have had an experience like that, please share, man. You know, that happens a lot with a lot of the pre-runner community. There's a lot of guys that have done that before, and it's kind of just, you know, like you said, the silver lining, you know, the cloud.
There's just something special about these Gen 1 Tundras, man. I mean, some people will arguably say these are some of the best platforms to build on.
I don't know. It's just like, it's not super big. It's not small. It has like a wide enough cab, and there's a lot.
Wheelbase,
right?
Yeah.
Good wheelbase. It's got that stock V8 motor, and it's got the power to push it.
front suspension you were mentioning is Camberg?
Yeah, it's just a Camberg race kit up here in the front. We got a 2.5 inch, 10 inch coilover, running the 2 springs in there. We got a big old 2.5 by 2.5 King bump stop.
There we go.
Got a custom fabricated crossover removable tubular deal.
Right on.
Brand new upper control arm mounts. All the factory stuff was removed.
Right.
Except for like just the OEM motor mounts and that whole bit. There's no movement on the motor.
Camberg,
They're like the godfathers, man. Yeah, Camberg, OG, pretty much the creators of the 1450 class.
Yeah.
Those guys are amazing. They do amazing work. Jerry, all those guys, thank you for all you guys have done. Making some of like the first bolt-on kits like that too, you know what I mean?
Ranger stuff.
Toyota stuff. So, and how's this kit been treating you?
It's been great. Metal to metal, we're pulling 18 inches of travel.
There we go.
Still need to get her strapped and tuned in, but
yeah.
So far it's been really good. I've gotten her up to like 70, 80 miles an hour and kind of puckered my butt a little bit.
Yeah.
It's puckered up.
Where do you like to take this thing, man?
Just up by Barstow, /X and all that. The little, the normal runs right through there.
Yeah, the Stoddard Wells area.
Cab cage, all done up, double pass TIG.
So you did all this, huh?
Yeah, I did all this.
Nice, man. RMZ Fab, folks, right here, Norco, California. So you were saying it has the 4.7?
Yeah, it's got the 4.7 V8.
Hey, how do you like that thing, man?
It's awesome.
I always tell people, man, if you
You guys have a Tundra and you got that V8 motor, leave it. It works.
Word to the wise.
It's got AC,
let's go.
missing a couple buttons, but we got it.
Luxury Prerunner is all I hear.
Yeah.
Let's get it, dude. Heck yeah. SOCAL Tundras, these guys right here, guys.
Yeah.
The OGs right here.
Yeah.
So if you guys are a Tundra fan, Toyota fan, SoCal Tundras is an awesome page. Tons of Tundra Toyota content on there. Please check it out. Those guys have been friends for a long time. Old school Prerunner guys. They have cool meets and stuff too in Orange County.
And then, so you got some Corbeaus in here?
Yeah.
Right on, right on. Very cool.
Some knockoff brace and seatbelts. They're pretty nice.
Do they
got some
buckle?
nice- Yeah, they do.
Then we're good.
They're good.
This looks great, man. What size tubing is this?
2-inch mains, 1 3/4 lacing.
Very
All
nice.
chrome moly. The only thing that's DOM on the truck is the front bumper.
And then you put the sound deadening stuff right here?
Yeah, got the sound ender in there.
Good stuff.
Amazon, that's where you get it.
Pretty big difference with that stuff on.
Oh yeah, it's nice in here.
Without this, it's almost like tin can, huh?
Yeah, you hear
Ding,
everything.
ding, ding, yeah. So look at this back half, dude. This is aggressive.
The cherry on the cake here.
Turning a lot of heads, I'm sure, dude.
Yeah,
People
trying
are
to.
probably so stoked looking at this thing coming down the road, huh?
Yeah.
Nice, dude.
Got some bead rolled panels on the side and
Heck yeah.
notched the fenders out. Full back half. It's chopped right behind the cab.
What glass is on this thing, man?
This is some Fiberworks glass.
Okay, right on. Those
And
are
then I'm
our
running the
buddies.
McNeils in the front. Yeah, they feel really good. I was really surprised with what they had. So a little mix match.
No, it's
but
perfect.
It works.
Hey,
Looks
it,
good.
it works, my friend. So it's kind of like a storage container back here, too.
Yeah, a little bit. I was getting ready to put in like a quick release jack mount in here and maybe like a little cooler storage bit or something to that kind of nature.
Tell us about the back half, man.
Fully chopped right behind the cab. I built some custom towers for it. We put 2.5 16s in there, which you can barely see with the fenders on.
Nice and tucked in.
Yeah, so when you're driving around during the day in the streets and you can't even tell this thing's linked and
Very
got
flush.
some big travel in it, you know?
Heck yeah. Did you build these links, too?
Yeah, fully custom links just for this truck. Some
Nice.
skinny style. Custom fuel cell. Fuel cell that I built runs the Toyota OEM fuel pump, so that's how I
Nice.
kept the check light off, and this thing smogs on its own.
Dude, let's go.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
No
Very
check
cool.
lights, baby.
Basically relocated it then.
Yeah,
Built
just
around
moved
it.
it back, extended the lines, extended the harness, and built a tank for it.
Did you notice like a big difference once you moved the gas back there and with the 2 spare tires?
Oh yeah, this thing definitely wants to eat.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can feel it. She's ready to go.
I can imagine, man. Like,
You guys, such a big deal, man. Putting the gas tank, putting all the weight behind the axle is really going to help you guys, when you guys are out there, when you guys are shock tuning, going in the whoops.
Handling, floating it. I could tell when I had the fuel cell behind the cab, she wanted to walk a little bit. But now with it behind there, I could feel it just wants to go straight.
right on, right on.
So,
What gearing or rear end do you have in this thing?
just stock Toyota housing.
Built
Just
it up?
Yeah, just built up, modified with the truss kit that I offer.
Okay. So there's the RMZ truss kit right there, guys. If you guys got a Tundra, RMZ Fab can get you guys dialed in over here. And then you got a slip yoke up there?
Yeah, just put that in.
Was that, I'm sure that was kind of a leak.
Did you have a stroke? It felt like you had a stroke.
A weak link, little tongue tied right there.
So actually, I linked this thing without changing out the rear end. It had a fully fixated driveline in it.
Really?
It didn't have a slip yoke, and it worked really well. I just put it in there just to be safe and make sure everything was coat. But
no way.
It worked great. Yeah, between putting the truss in the Toyota housing and 4-link in it.
And your geometry, you got this, bro.
Yeah, I built it with a little bit longer arms, and then built it for a little bit more up travel, and it works good.
Dude, that's what's up,
It works good.
That looks like a pretty good amount of up travel right there. That's at ride height. Jeez, what is that? 14, 15 inches?
Yeah, she's got like something like 20, high 20s.
High 20s, like at full droop?
Yeah, full length of travel.
Look at that, guys. That rear end is traveling all the way up, compressing that hydraulic bump stop.
About
And that,
14 there, and then another 14 down.
all while his cab is staying stationary. Awesome, dude. And then, of course, street legal. Very cool. So what's up with this thing, man?
So this is a customer of mine. It's a good buddy, Jesse. This is his Baja bug. 69 B-Dub.
Let's go. So this is the current project for RMZ?
Yeah, this is the current big one. Yeah,
Yeah.
this has been the big full build that's been taking up the garage for the last 2 months.
Okay.
So all this has been done in 2 months.
Nice, dude. Nice. So cage, front cage, kind of bumper to bumper.
Yeah. Working it all in, getting the suspension set for the rear. We
Okay.
just got some 2.5 by 14 Fox coilovers. Got those all set, got his arms figured out, and yeah, now we need to get ready to set the motor on there, and he's about ready to drive this thing, man.
What motor is he going with this on this thing?
So it's a 4.3 older V6 out of a Chevy.
Nice.
Probably like an Astrovan or something like that, and he's got it mated to a bus trans, I believe.
Okay.
So,
That's going to be plenty of power, huh?
yeah, it should be pretty torquey.
Oh, yeah. So True Garage Fab Shop, Austin.
Yeah.
Tell us what you got in here. Take us on a quick tour.
Sporting the Miller as the welder, got the 220 ACDC, full package, does pretty much everything I've thrown at it, plus more. Go over here, we got the plasma table, running the Langmeyer Systems CNC, cutting all the plates in-house.
How's that?
A little bit of a nightmare sometimes when you got a lot of parts, but
Yeah.
this thing's been taking care of it. But
So-
I'm ready to upgrade, so.
Right on, man. But you're good with Legos, I'm sure, growing
Oh
up.
yeah, I'm great with Legos.
Well, there you go, dude. There it is.
Okay, let's go.
All right, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed that episode with Austin, RMZ Fab. If you guys have any questions for him and the Tundra or anything, please hit him up. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys know somebody with a Tundra that's going to be building it or is encouraged to, hit him up. Show him this video. Tell him about Austin. Tell him about RMZ. Keep that V8, man, that 4.7 liter. You know, that thing works. But anyways, thank you guys so much. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys have any questions, drop them in the comments and we will check them out. We will answer. Let's go.
Thank you, buddy.
Later, guys. Take care.
Have a good one.
Such a nice truck. Are you sure you want this on yours? Boom. Cool. This is the first time I've ever put a sticker on somebody's car, but every time we see somebody, like all of us, like all the friends, all the homies, even the family, and we're just as excited as anybody to see it. And it means so much to us. So for all of you guys out there rocking stickers, and for everybody who's been waiting to find a sticker or to get one online, I know we're always sold out, but just thank you guys. You guys are freaking awesome. It really pumps us up and makes us want to keep going when we see this. So thank you.